dry fruit laddu. Hello friends, welcome to Sanjeev Kapoor Khazana. My name is Siddharth and today I'll show you how to prepare a sugar-free dessert. Yes, today I'll prepare dry fruit laddu for you. So let's quickly note down the ingredients. Dried figs chopped, dates pitted and chopped, flax seeds, almonds chopped, desiccated coconut, melon seeds, poppy seeds. So let's quickly start preparing our laddus. Into this I'll put almonds, some melon seeds and some flax seeds. I'll dry roast this. In the meanwhile, I'll take my mixer. Now into this mixer, I'll put all the dates and dried figs. I have chopped all the figs and dates so that it will blend properly. As you can see, the melon seeds and flax seeds are popping. That indicates this is done. Now I'll add this to this blending jar. Now let's blend it. Now let's check if our laddu mixture is ready. We don't need a fine paste of it. Now we'll remove this mixture into a bowl. Now again I'll heat up a pan. Now into this I'll roast my desiccated coconut and some poppy seeds. Now for this you need a light brown color. Now our desiccated coconut and poppy seeds are browned. Let's remove it in a plate. So let's start preparing our laddus. I have taken a bowl of water. I'll apply to my palm and let's start preparing laddus. Now shape it to a medium sized ball and coat it with our poppy seeds and desiccated coconut. In similar manner, I'll prepare rest of my laddus. So I have prepared all my laddus. Let's plate it. So I have prepared all my laddus. Let's plate it. I have taken a rectangle plate. So here it is, dry fruit laddu, a very healthy option. I hope you enjoyed.